So in this video, I would like to show you and talk briefly about the so-called Canvas beta environment, which is really a wonderful place to experiment without affecting a live course. So let me pull up Mozilla Firefox to the Redwoods homepage. If I go up to the Canvas login, before I go any farther, by the way, I'm going to actually open Help in a new window. I am going to look at the Canvas guides. I'm going to type in the word beta and a search in the Canvas Help Center. I'm doing this because I would like for you to see how you yourself can at any time pull a lot of information out of the really helpful Canvas help guides and so forth. So I'll right click. How do I explore beta features in Canvas? Here's a long article about the beta environment, the beta features and so on. Another one, when do Canvas updates occur? There's a lot of information about the beta environment. Much of this would be of most interest to the administrator of our Canvas site. However, in here you can learn a lot about what the beta environment is, about the schedule for updates and so on, and how you access it. So this is the thing I wanted to point out, is the organization name and then .beta.instructure.com. So back here, instead of just logging in like normal, I am going to actually edit this field. I'm going to type the word beta dot, so it says redwoods.beta.instructure.com, and then I'll hit enter. Now the login page looks the same, except I'm about to log into the beta environment. I'll log in the same way. And now that I've logged in, I notice immediately that it at the bottom says Canvas test installation used for testing only. It will reset periodically. Otherwise, it looks the same. I have on the screen, in fact, an old display. There are some things that happened in my live class. I'll pull up my active live class in geology. And when I pull it up, I see these are some things that were happening a week or two ago. Because what the beta environment is, it's like a frozen chunk of your actual class code, which is in an environment that's protected. It's like a duplicate of your class that you can use. Actually, an administrator would use it in other ways, such as to test new code that Canvas is adding. But what you, as an instructor, can do to great benefit is you can go in, you can experiment, you can, for example, you can try things with modules or whatever. Maybe you want to try to rename things or restructure things, but you're afraid to do so, perhaps, with a group of live students. And so in a live class, the beta environment gives you this opportunity to go in and have fun. Try to do any experimentation on this environment before you apply some new technique to your actual real live class. So for the instructor, I'd recommend that this is a very powerful environment in which to experiment. And that's the outcome for this video.